sell the farm. You can't roll a rock up a hill that steep. You can't pull roots when they run that deep. He's gonna live and die in the eye of an urban storm. Daddy won't sell the farm.
Well, guys, welcome back. Kind of got to put this fence up. Damn horses. Those darn old horses. There we go. That's just going to have to do for now. That's going to fall over. We're going to need a new board for that one. Well, guys, welcome back. It's Chris, the farmer here from Meadow Mouse Farms. And we're doing a farm tour today. Y'all wanted to see it. I put up like a poll in my community, and you guys wanted to see a farm tour from the votes. So we're starting here. It is really dry out. I'm talking really dry. We haven't gotten rain in 2 months, so all this is brown. But in the summertime, this was all green, all bush hogged, everything, all green. But now it's just brown because we have no rain. It's just dry. Also, it's dangerous because if we do get a flood, it's just the ground's like concrete. It's just gonna flood. So, and yeah, and then over there in the field there, we have a burn pile. We'll probably burn it when we get more stuff, but whatever trees and stuff is there, we'll put it in. But there's my assistant. This is my way of getting around the farm since I don't have my pickup truck. My truck is, what do you call it? It's got no gas in it. The battery was dead. I have an old GMC 1953 pickup, which is my farm truck, and I kind of go around with it. But yeah, we're pulling up to the farm here. Pretty cool. So yeah, there's some horses back there, if you guys can see over there. But other than that, nothing much. And so here's kind of the lot. I mean, we have an old 1986 Kubota here. We have a little mini bush hog on it. This thing, I think the battery's dead. We haven't used it in a while. And then this is a piece from our John Deere hood, which is right there, the 4110's hood. So yeah, this thing just needs a new hood. As you can see, there's just a big piece missing here, and there's cracks and stuff. But this is a workhorse. Also, we're gonna need a new seat because this is falling off. And we got our horse riding arena rake. We can't rake outside or anything, the outside rings, because it is too dry and it's too dusty it'll all go in the barn, make it all dirty and stuff, so we don't want that. Got a bunch of sawdust there. Some old wood. We have a mulcher here. And, we were gonna go mulch, but, you know, it's dry out, so you hit a rock, that it could spark and cause a fire. It's so dry, so you don't want that to happen. We got the Unimog. This Mercedes logo is upside down because the painters, when they painted it, they put it upside down for some reason. Kind of stupid. But this thing's a beast here. And we got here probably my favorite one, John Deere 5075E. Now, this is like our big tractor, and I know a lot of you big time operators who watch me, they're like, oh, that's not big at all. That's really little compared to like my 9RX or whatever. And well, I'm just saying, like, it gets the job done. Also, we live in New Jersey. Nothing's big in our state. Nothing. And also we're horse farmers, so we don't need like 9RXs or like, I don't know, or X9s, whatever. Oh, back here, kind of just like going around so far, but back here we got an old bunch of junk here, old playhouse there. We got our bush hog, our bigger bush hog here. What's my dog doing? Let's make sure she doesn't run away. This right here, my dad's welding project. It was a bill spike and a piece of an old Massey Ferguson bush hog, but he just welded it all together. I don't know what he was trying to do. Yeah. And this is our sprayer, John Deere. I like to call it the $500,000 sprayer, but it's really like cheap because we're small. And we got an old trailer. We used to haul hay with this one. We have a hay trailer, but we lended it to a friend because they make a lot of hay. We have manure spreader. Hopefully we can get to haul manure soon. We're gonna go haul it down one of our fields, spread it through all our fields, so it's like once it like ferments and stuff, and then we'll have really good soil and grass. So yeah, hopefully we can get to that. There's a bunch of junk in here. We have just a lot of junk. Chain right here. This will probably use this when we plant our pumpkins. I don't know, it will help. And then in here, this was the front loader to the 4110, but we took it off. I forget why. Old bunch of logs here. Ripper. This is like a rake where you can rake up some old straw or something. And then we got our blade over there. This is like the junk part of the farm so far. Really, it's just a bunch of crap over here. We got the airplane. Yeah, because there's an airport like over there and stuff. We got our blade here, and we'll use this maybe on the 5075 when it snows. And then we have trailer that's been sitting here forever. Another trailer, enclosed trailer. We have here a couple of stuff. I'm kind of just like exploring. I mean, Unimog tires. My dad loves his Unimog. We even have a front loader for the Unimog, believe it or not. So this right here, this thing, it's a front loader for the Unimog. Actually, it's you can put it on. I never seen it on, or probably have seen it on, but I just haven't seen it in a while or something. But you can put this on. Then we have the Unimog's snowplow. Pretty cool. And then we have a big weight here. Big cement weight for the Unimog when it snowplows because it's heavy, the weight. Airplanes. You want to go in the shed? Okay, moving on to the shed, guys. Oh, wow. So, we got our Avants here. This is the 420 Avant. And then we have the 528 over there. And then we have a big sweep that goes on the Avant. This will clean the barn a bit. Yeah, this thing. Did it get a new thing on it? Wait, what? Alright, we got feed here, feed pallets. And this is clean because my dad power washed it. And we have our purple packer here. There's only 3 in America of these things. We had all 3 at one point, and then we sold 1, so we have 2 now. And then here is a rare thing. Here is the purple spreader. So you put the bale, you kind of like tilt the bale, you put it in here, the straw, and then it'll come out, it'll like swap out both these sides here. It'll come out like this, and then you can choose either way you want to do it. So this helps a lot. It's called the purple spreader. There's only 1 in America, or North America, you could say. And we got it. We own it. We have some old cars over there, or we have a Mercedes car and then an old Bug. We have our semi there with our horse trailer. So pretty cool. We'll maybe haul hay with that as well. I like driving the semi. There's not much to it, but I actually gotta go, I gotta go get firewood, actually, so I don't think I can take this one out. If I open that door, maybe, but I'm not in the mood to take this one. This thing, once it gets enough hours on it, you can see the tires are falling apart already. They're balding, but once we get enough hours on this, we'll maybe trade this in for a bigger Avant. They're really helpful. And we went to the farm show over the summer, and let's just say that they had the Avants there at the show, and we were looking at some. Oh, we better get this door open. Well, we got the door open here, and doesn't go up that far anymore because it's just been dented by bale spikes, whatever, really. I didn't do any of that part, but yeah, we gotta get the bucket on here. Thinking about just like pulling it out. Honestly, I don't feel like picking all this stuff up, moving it. Well, guys, we actually need to rake the arena first. I'm getting a lot of jobs to do, so we gotta fuel it up now. The 4110 is barely surviving, but we gotta get the arena done before we can do anything else. So this is the indoor. Alright, back to our original job. We gotta get firewood because my house is cold. And this is mostly storage. We do have a couple horses out back, but we got a lot of storage here. I'll kind of give you a quick look. So, I don't even know, it's dark. Lots of feed pallets. We have our feed bin here. You know, these are you put usually seed, but we put feed. This is our other purple packer that's broken. I'm pretty sure the hydraulic lines are broken. And more feed, lots of feed. Storage, like tools in there. We have fans for the summertime because it gets hot in the barn. Junk, boards, lots of boards that we don't even use. More storage. We have firewood here. And we have more firewood even here. And then over in the third one, more firewood, and then we just have more storage. So, yeah, not much. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.